Welcome back to Literature Tube. This is Science Alert. Today we're talking about straws, paper straws. It turns out paper straws might pose a serious problem too. Wow, imagine that. This article is by Carly Casella. She goes on, paper straws are not quite the eco-solution many had hoped for. Not only do these liquid slurping alternatives tend to wilt in a frustratingly fast manner, they contain low levels of forever chemicals, according to new research. Low levels of forever chemicals. Holy. How that impacts the health of an individual slurper is unknown. Slurper. But because forever chemicals, also known as poly and perfluoroalkyl substances, aka PFSAs, can take centuries to break down to a fraction of their concentration in the environment, these straws are not necessarily, quote, biodegradable. So the main advocate for paper straws, that, they don't stay around forever, they're not like plastic, they can melt away, they can degrade, is not true. The main advocate for using these horrible devices that take like 10 times the force to get your drink is Bunk. Imagine that. The article goes on. In fact, scientists at the University of Antwerp in Belgium argue that some plant-based and eco-friendly alternatives to plastic may be silently contributing to PFSA or PFAS pollution. When researchers tested 39 different straw brands made from plastic, paper, glass, bamboo, or stainless steel, they found PFAS in almost all the materials. Stainless steel was the only consistent exception. Wow. Today, many products are made with PFAS, a group of 15,000 synthetic chemicals, some of which may be toxic to animals and human health at high enough concentrations. Yep. Scientists are still figuring out at what levels forever chemicals in our surroundings might elevate health risks. But because they can build up in the environment and in animal bodies, scientists worry even low levels of pollution could come back to haunt us. So they can build up in the body of animals. I'm guessing that includes humans. Wow. Cutting back on plastic can help you, but only substantially if the alternatives are PFSA free or PFAS free. To make paper and bamboo straws water repellent, though, many manufacturers appear to add PFAS. Either that, or the producers are using recycled materials that already contain forever chemicals. The result is the same. In 2021, scientists in the United States were the first to detect PFAS in plant-based straws, indicating that consumers may be ingesting, quote, a so far undetermined amount of PFAS. End quote. So plant-based straws, I guess vegan straws or whatever they're called, might actually be more harmful to you than conventional straws. They may actually be very harmful to you. You're ingesting chemicals. Jesus. Researchers in Belgium have now found the same. Using high-resolution mass spectrometry, the authors analyzed the chemical composition of 20 paper straws, 5 glass straws, 5 bamboo straws, 5 stainless steel straws, and 4 plastic straws. They were looking for 29 different PFAS specifically. In all but 2 of the paper-based straws, researchers detected PFAS. Although the concentrations were fairly low and varied quite a lot between the products. Okay, so in all but 2 of the paper-based straws, researchers detected PFAS. Forever chemicals were also detected in 3 plastic straw brands, 2 glass straw brands, and 4 bamboo brands. Among these straws, the most frequently detected PFAS perfluorooctanoic acid, PFOA, has been banned in most countries since 2020. This chemical can accumulate in an animal's body, where it appears to negatively impact development and reproduction in certain concentrations. Probably causes cancer too. It might impact your cell growth and division. And boom, 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 where are you now? Small amounts of PFAS, while not harmful in themselves, can add to the chemical load already present in the body, explains environmental scientist Themo Grofen from the University of Antwerp. Even after the straws are used, their pollutants could persist. If the straws are recycled, the chemicals could end up in a new product. And if the straws go to landfill or are incinerated, their chemicals will quietly spread in the wind or soil. So they're still out there even if you destroy them. For consumers worried about the potential environmental or health effects, Gruffin suggests using stainless steel straws or no straws at all. So if you want to avoid this program, or if you want to avoid this problem, don't even use plastic straws. Don't even use alternatives to bamboo or wood or paper. Just either use a stainless steel, the only valid alternative, a stainless steel, or drink straight from the cup. Drink straight from the bottle. Wow. So this study was published in Food Additives and Contaminants. All right, that's perfect. Thank you very much. I'll see you at LiteratureTube later.